In the world of bonding, there are two main types of bonding materials: adhesive tape and liquid adhesives. If you are working on a project, it's important to understand the differences between these two solutions. So in this video, we will compare adhesive tape with liquid adhesive and discuss which one you should use for the sake of your project's performance. After working with adhesives for the past 30+ years, we have been able to learn a lot about adhesive tapes and liquids. The main differences that we have seen lie in the area of strength, curing, application, and versatility. When it comes to bonding materials, strength is a critical consideration. Liquid adhesives are traditionally favored for their superior strength in structural applications, especially where a small bond area must withstand a high load. Liquid adhesives like epoxies offer high ultimate strength with excellent resistance to temperature changes and environmental stressors. Meanwhile, adhesive tapes may not always offer the same concentrated bonding power as liquid adhesives. However, tapes distribute the stress evenly over the entire surface, which helps absorb physical impacts. Additionally, specialized tapes such as 3M's VHB tape can match or exceed the bonding performance of a lot of liquid adhesives, particularly in environments where materials experience thermal expansion. Adhesive tape can be ideal for applications that need both strength and the ability to handle vibrations, movement, or varying temperatures. Liquid adhesives require curing, which involves either drying or chemical reaction to solidify the adhesive. This process can range from seconds to hours, depending on the formulation. In some cases, the process may require additional sources of heat or UV light to complete the curing process, adding complexity to the application. Liquid adhesives may slow down production, particularly in projects where quick bonding is essential. Adhesive tapes require minimal curing time to be functional. Pressure-sensitive adhesive tapes bond instantly upon contact and don't need time to dry or set. This instant adhesion makes adhesive tape highly efficient for applications that need immediate strength. While tapes do require some time to reach their full bond strength, they can handle immediate use right after application, streamlining the workflows. When it comes to applying liquid adhesives, they offer flexibility, allowing for positioning and adjustment before they fully cure. The ability to reposition can be useful, but liquid adhesives can be messy and difficult to handle. They often require specialized equipment like dispensers, and their application can result in drips, spills, or splashes, leading to waste and extra cleanup. On the other hand, adhesive tape offers a much cleaner, more straightforward application. Tapes do not require specialized tools, and there's no risk of spills or toxic fumes, making them easier and safer to work with. Tapes are often pre-cut to exact shapes through die cutting, allowing for precise application and reducing waste. This makes adhesive tape ideal for clean environments or processes where speed and simplicity are important. However, they do not offer the same repositionability as liquid adhesives. In terms of versatility, liquid adhesives and adhesive tapes have their own unique advantages. Liquid adhesives are often conductive, meaning they can transfer heat or electricity while maintaining a bond. This makes them suitable for specialized applications such as electronics or thermal management. However, liquid adhesives are typically limited to bonding one type of surface at a time, and their customization options are more constrained. Adhesive tape, by contrast, is extremely versatile and can bond surfaces with varying characteristics, including high surface energy and low surface energy materials. Additionally, adhesive tape can be laminated with other materials, creating customized double-sided tapes or tapes with multiple functions, such as sealing and vibration dampening. When deciding between adhesive tape and liquid adhesive, consider the requirements of your project. Liquid adhesives tend to be stronger and are ideal for structural applications, while adhesive tapes offer simplicity, versatility, and clean application with the option for precise die-cut shapes. If you are interested in learning more about the bonding process, feel free to visit our learning center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.